coming. Good job, guys. Oh, so I was saying earlier, yeah, so I have my daughter's hair appointment, and so Chip and Jasper will be home with my oldest daughter. Either they're super fast or I'm just super slow today. Apparently, you're only gonna get a video of the trail. Oh, I see Jasper. Where's Chip? Chip! Good girl. Come here! Chip! Jasper's like, do a treat. No treat. We're keeping going.